Hello again everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a quick lick of the day for you in E minor, or a partial lick. It's the ending part of the lick that I played in the intro. It's not that entire lick, it's the ending part. It's got quite a lot of slides in it, so it gets pretty difficult towards the end, but that's why I think it would be beneficial for you. So that's what I'm going to show you today. But before I do, if I can just please remind you, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do consider subscribing to try and help me out, and leave a like, a comment, all that stuff. Share the videos, ask me a question. But let's go to a close-up and I'll show you how to play this lick. I'll just play you the part of the lick I was talking about. It's the end of that intro I played. It goes like this. So we've got quite a few slides in here. It starts off very easily. 14th fret, 3rd string, pull off to 12. Then go to 14 on the 4th string and back to 12 on the 3rd string, and do a slight bend. Second part's almost the same as that, on strings 4 and 5, 14 to 12, but this time I do that twice before I go to the 14th fret on the 5th string, and then instead of going back to the 12th fret, I go to the 11th fret and bend that note up a half step. So far we've got that's the easy bit. Now comes the harder bit. So we're going back to 14 on the 4th string, and we're going to play a pull off again to 12 and down to 14 on the 5th string. And this time we are going to go back to 12. So we go back to 12 on the 4th string, and then we slide that index finger down to the 11th fret. Then from there I go to the 12th fret, 5th string with 2nd finger. And now comes the tricky bit. I go back to 11 on the 4th string, but now I want to get to the 9th fret, but I want to use my 3rd finger. So I play that note and slide this 3rd finger down. So we're essentially playing just that slide, but we're changing fingers in the middle of it. Now you could, if you wanted to, play, you could change your finger after that 12th fret, 5th string to the 3rd. I just find it easier to do it that way and play it with the 1st. So that's the hardest bit. So you've got then once we get to here, we're going to go to the 7th fret, 5th string, roll that across to the 7th fret, 4th string, and slide down to 5 on the 4th string. And then from there I go to the 7th fret of the 5th string and then the 5th fret and do a hammer on. And then from there to finish I just go 5, 3 open string with my index finger on the low E. So just slide down from 5 to 3 and then the open string. So the entire lick slowly. There you go guys, that's the video from me for this week. Just a quick sliding lick for you there. Give it a try. It is a bit tricky, that one, but see how you get on with it. Anyway, hopefully I should be back next week with another one for you. Till then, look after yourselves. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye for now.